Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting video. So guys, today I share with you how to make coconut bread. Yes, coconut bread guys, featuring coconut flakes, coconut milk, flour and some other ingredients. So guys, let's get started. In a clean bowl, add in your flour. Yes, we are making use of 3.5 cups of flour. Alright, then go in with your yeast. Next is your sugar. Yes, we're making use of 3 tablespoons. Okay, now add in your salt, a teaspoon of salt, and stir. If you're using dry yeast, you have to mix it with your liquid, yes, with water or your milk, and allow it to bloom for some minutes. Yes, when it starts foaming. Okay, if you noticed, we added 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. Okay, so once you've added that, go on and mix. Okay, mix it to evenly distribute. All right, now let's mix our wet ingredients. Okay, so here is our butter, melted butter. We're using 100 grams, and we've added 1 cup of coconut milk. Okay, now crack in 1 large egg. Okay, and whisk. Yeah, as you can see, all done. Set it aside. Okay, now get your dry ingredients. Okay, and add in the wet ingredients, the one we just mixed. If you noticed, we didn't add everything. Yes, the liquid ingredient, you're gonna do it bit by bit. Okay, we just added again. Yes, bring them together. Okay, mix well. Okay, now we're adding everything now. Continue to mix. Okay, do not handle the dough too much at this stage. Okay, as you can see, at this point we are done. We're gonna allow it to rest for 20 minutes. Okay, now after 20 minutes, flour your work surface. Okay, and transfer your dough. All right, now sprinkle in some flour. Okay, and begin to knead just like this. We're going to knead it until it is smooth. Okay, or knead for 10 minutes. Yes, keep going. We want it very smooth. Okay, now splash in some oil, some vegetable oil in a clean bowl and place your dough. Okay, all right, now cover it. Okay, keep it in a warm place. All right, and watch when it has doubled in size. So while that is happening, let's grease our pan. Okay, with some butter, or you can use vegetable oil. Okay, all right, keep going. We are making use of 2 tins here of pan. So guys, we are checking again after 30 minutes. Yes, if you see, it has doubled in size. Yeah, so punch out the gas and transfer on your work surface. Okay, make sure you flour it. Okay, now knead for 5 minutes or less. Okay, all right, let's divide it into 2. Okay, just like this, guys. All right, bring them together like you want to form a ball. Yeah, just like this. Let's set this one aside. All right, now begin to spread it out. Yes, roll it out, okay? And if this is your first time meeting my video, you are welcome. My name is Ijoma. You can call me IJ or Oma for short, okay? Yes. Please do well to be part of the family, okay? You can only do that by subscribing. Hit the subscription button, turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I post new video, okay? Alright guys, here is our coconut flakes, okay? All set already. So guys, if you notice, we'll spread some butter on our dough, on our flattened dough. So now go on and sprinkle your coconut flakes, yes, just like you're watching. Yes, put that in. Afterwards, you press it down, okay? Yes, just like this, guys. Oh my, it's looking good, but we are not done. So once you're done, go on and roll it this way, okay? Roll it carefully. All right. Remember, we are making coconut bread, guys. So you roll it gently. Now the edge, you press it just this way. Try to seal it up. Seal it this way, okay? All right. Seal it up. All right. Afterwards, you roll it. You want to seal it completely. All right. Just do as you're watching, okay? Now use knife to divide it. Yes, just like this. All right. Now watch. You're gonna fold it. Yes, zigzag shape. I don't know if I'm making sense. Just watch how I'm doing it, okay? Yeah, fold it side by side, just like this, guys. Yes. All right. Yes. It's as easy. Yes, it's not difficult, guys. It's easy. So look at what we have here, looking all good. So now transfer it in your baking pan, okay? All right, it is so looking good. All right, let's get the other dough. Okay, we have flattened it already in order to save time, okay, and not to get this video long. Just flatten your dough and spread in some butter, okay, and then pour in your coconut flakes. Yes, you can add more than this, all right, and begin to fold just this way. So this one, we're not gonna divide it. Yes, just watch how we're gonna do it. Yes, we are doing these two different shape. Yes. So guys, look at how it is looking. Yeah, looking good, guys. So at this point, we're gonna cover it, okay, and allow it for another 30 minutes. Yes, and watch when it has doubled in size. All right, and here you have it. Yes, when it has doubled in size just this way, know that it is ready to be baked, okay? Now go on and brush in some egg. Yes, we used egg yolk, okay? After you're done, pop it into your oven, and there you have it, guys. Our coconut bread is set. Oh my, look at how it's looking. Oh my god, it looks so good, guys, so delicious. Now brush in some butter to give it that finished shiny look, okay? Oh my, it looks so good, guys. Give it a shot, okay, and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment below. All right, this is good, so good, guys. Yes, so guys, let's have a taste of it. All right, we're gonna test it. Oh my, this is looking good, guys. Give it a shot, okay? And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, follow, and as well subscribe for more tasty recipes. All right, see ya.